What's the status of my VA claim and what's taken them so long? Back in my day, we didn't have VA.gov to check status of a VA claim. You called your unresponsive VSO and he ignored you, and then you waited 18 months. My day, remember, we had stuff like fax machines and microfiche. There's going to be a lot of different messages in VA.gov as you're tracking your claim. What you do need to understand is what stage you're in. If you know what stage you're in, then you know what stages you've completed. And I'm not saying you're not going to go backwards, but you know where you are now. And then you know what stages you need to go through until you get your decision letter. Let's go through the VA claims process so you understand what stage you're in. If you're interested in learning more about the VA claims process, check out my bootcamp at combatcraig.com. I break it down Barney style for you guys, and you will understand the VA claims process and the process I use to get to 100% permanent and total. I want you to get there as well. Here's an example that you might get online. A status of your claim update. Awesome. Tells you when the claim was submitted. It was for compensation. Great. Estimated completion. Unavailable, question mark in a blue circle. The current status is preparation for decision. Here are the different stages of a claim. As you can see, preparation for decision is step number 5. You still need to go through pending decision approval, preparation for notification, decision notification sent. This is a timeline guide based on average claims.